everybody, and welcome back to my channel, you guys. Walgreens was awesome, but some stuff just didn't go my way, and I have to contact corporate about it because some digitals did not come off. But I'm gonna share with you guys my haul. I did do a video with other deals that you guys can do with the digital deals, so you guys will definitely want to check this out. Now, right now, it is time for sunscreen, okay? I needed to get more sunscreen just because I like to have it all over the place. Like, I have to have one in the car, I like to have one just everywhere. And this is an okay deal if you guys actually want to get this. So I ended up getting this one this was $10.49 and this one was $9.99. They're currently buy one get one 50% off, so the cheaper one will go down to $4.99. I do not use your discount if you guys are an employee. I messed up and had to redo this, but you guys want to use a $5 off 2 coupon that we got from last week's inserts. You guys would end up paying $10.48 for these, but then you guys can submit you guys would get 5,000 points when you spend $15 or more. Comes out to be just $5.48 or $2.74. So I think this is a pretty good deal. I like to get the 50% just because with me, and I get it for the kids, but this is for kids even more, and then Graham likes the 30, so I ended up doing that for the family. The Febreze is 2 for $6. Now, we do have a buy one get one free, or there is a 3 off of 2 coupon that you guys can use that's a digital. So you guys would just get these for $3 or $1.50 a piece. So pretty decent deal if you guys want to do that. I mean, it's what I always see these as at Walgreens anyways, so not the biggest deal. I ended up getting the Venus razors. That's one thing I haven't been able to stock up on is Venus razors. So I ended up doing it this way. This was $9.99. We have a $4 off digital coupon. Otherwise, there is a $4 off coupon that we got in our inserts. You guys would pay $5.99. But then you get 3,000 points, comes out to be just $2.99. Now, this is not the greatest deal. I did it because with the employee discount, it actually comes out to be an okay deal. Plus, I just really want to stock up on Venus razors. Another thing, if you guys do a lot of the P&G stuff, make sure you guys kind of like separate your transactions. Why? Because you can only do 5 products per receipt, and you get 50 points per product. So if you guys buy 5 products, you guys will get 250 points. But if you have it all on one receipt, then you can only get up to 250 points. So just make sure you guys are doing that with that P&G thing. That's awesome. I ended up buying one Starbucks gift card already, and I got it like super fast. I think I'm actually gonna get a Best Buy gift card next, and I'm gonna get 4 of them because we really wanted to get the Trolls movie. And you know, with buying the movie and using those gift cards, I can get it for free. So that's what I plan on doing. So definitely go ahead and do that. And plus, the Febreze is considered a P&G item also. So giving you guys a heads up with that. Now, this is where I messed up on my coupons did not come off for these, and I was kind of mad, so I have to message Walgreens because this is just a pain in the butt. Otherwise, I'll just take it as a loss, which happens. But these are $6.99, and then there's also the Secret deodorant for $6.99. You guys can mix and match however you want. You can also do the Olay Bodywash, but I did it this way. So these are, again, $6.99. You guys want to use two $2 off coupons for this. And then I had a 4 off of 2 body wash coupon that you guys can use. You would end up paying $9 or $19.96. but then you guys can submit you guys will get 10,000 points back, and you guys can pay with points for this deal. Comes out to be just $9.96 or just $2.49 each. So, and this is 4 items right here that you guys can get for the P&G. So right there I have 3 items. I forgot to show you guys the other thing on my app. So right now I have 8 items for the P&G thing. So right there, you guys, that's what, 1,600 points? No, 50, 50, 50, 200. I got 400 points already, so that's awesome. So it's up to you guys if you want to do that. I forgot to mention this. I ended up getting the Pure Venus. This is a shave cream. This was $5.99. There's a $2 off digital coupon that you guys can use. You would pay $3.99, but then you get 2,000 points. Comes out to be just $1.99. This is something that I actually do want to try. Sorry, it's getting like super hot in my van. But this is something I do want to try. So, and this also counts for the P&G Everyday Rewards, you guys. So, yes, okay. I'm just putting some bags in my car because it's nice to have that. Now, my store was sold out of the other, the Depends, but these points are still on sale. This is an all-month sale. So these are $5.99. We did get some inserts last week. Otherwise, if you haven't used the digitals, there are digitals for this. But you guys would end up using also a $3 off coupon, plus there's a $2 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet. So you guys would just get these for 99 cents, and you guys can submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards. So you guys will get some points for that. The Captain Crunch cereal is currently $1.99. You guys want to buy 2 of them. We did have some in our inserts a couple weeks ago, $1 off the 2 coupon. You guys would just pay $2.98, or it comes out to be just $1.49. So my family has been really into Captain Crunch lately, so I got that. And then this is where I was messed up. Like, I had a 5 off of 4 digital coupon and it didn't come off. Just a $3 off coupon came off. And I wanted to use the 5 off of 4. But I should have used this one in my first transaction and that stuff in my second transaction. I just wasn't thinking. I was not thinking at all. But you know what? That happens. I'm just going to take a loss at it. But the Old Spice body wash is, again, also $6.99. You're supposed to have the 5 off of 4 digital coupon that's supposed to work for that. You guys would pay $22.96 for this. But then you guys can submit your receipt for $1.25 times 4 with Ibotta. So you guys will get $5 back with Ibotta. And you guys will get $10 back in points for buying 4. And this is a deal where you guys can, I should have just done this all in one transaction, but I didn't because of the P&G thing. But you guys will get $10 back in points, so it comes out to be just $7.96 or $1.99 a piece. So I ended up getting 4 of them just for, you know, that deal, but something didn't work out in my favor. That's not a big deal. I was also gonna do the secret, or the Old Spice deodorant. They are 2 for $10, and then I was gonna use the buy one get one free coupon. But the store has the body spray. The coupon that I have is for the deodorant. So my store does not have the Old Spice deodorant, just the body spray. So I ended up taking that back. I might do a second haul this week, you guys. I think might do that just because my coupons did not go the way I wanted to. So my grand total came to $53.15. I ended up getting $30 back in points. I ended up getting $5 back with Ibotta. So my total technically came to $18.15. I got 16 items at just $1.13 a piece. So today was not the greatest deal, but I mean, for 20 bucks for all that stuff, if you think about it, it's a pretty decent deal, you guys. Like, pretty decent. And I didn't hardly pay anything out of pocket. I just paid with points. The only deal do not pay with points is the copper tone deal. That's the only deal not to do it. But yeah, I did do some other deals with the digital coupons. A lot of you guys are really enjoying that. Plus I do different deals that I don't show on here. So I hope you guys have a nice day. It is hot as heck in my van right now, but I will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.